Hello, you guys! Today we are gonna prepare a quick and healthy dinner, ready in a few minutes. Let's start by slicing one tomato, then set it aside. In a bowl, add 3 eggs and whisk them. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'll be super happy. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 garlic cloves, and parsley to taste. Mix well. This recipe is super easy to make and incredibly tasty. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of oats and mix well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and leave it to melt. Then add the previously cut tomato slices. Now add the egg mixture on top. Spread it across using a fork. Cover the pan with a lid and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Then add some grated mozzarella cheese and oregano on top. Cover again and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes to let the cheese melt. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is. Affordable and perfect for lunch or dinner. Try it at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.